if you just move that bucket, it's up in there.
Okay, I just want to see it from under here. Look at my screen there. Look on the...
Oh, that part there.
There's a bubble there on the one closest to me.
Yeah, you're right.
So it makes sense while we're at it just to swap out both of them.
Yeah.
But, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, we might as well then. They're both the same fitting, so the same thing could happen to the other one.
Yeah. Right, boys, so we're gonna cut. We're gonna pull out 1, 2, 3, 4 of these squares gently, and then we're gonna cut through the ceiling, expose enough space so I can get my tools in and actually crimp and pro press these two pipes. One is poly B, one is copper. And they're coming up here, roughly coming up here. So I think the first objective is to get an eyes on what I'm dealing with over here and then make the repair. And then have the appropriate poly B transition bushings and rings and pro press adapters. So enjoy. Of course, I had to fucking tee off. Tees off there. That's our couplings right there. That's a tight one. That's a tight motherfucker. Alright, we're going to shut the water off now. Hello, Jeff?
Yes?
Can I turn the water off?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
I just finished going to the water.
Okay.
Wait, actually, you know what? Let me just ask my wife if she needs to go
Yeah, grand.
one last time.
Grand, yeah. Okay. That's enough. There's our sink. Can you open up a couple of faucets?
Open a couple of faucets.
Yeah, like the shower and
Sure the water is not running.
yeah, just to, so all the water will drop into the laundry sink. Just break the vacuum. Let's see if this can be pulled out. Without breaking it. Nice. That requires more thought. I'm gonna have to take that out. That's coming out. we're pretty much prepped on all fronts. This will be connecting to that poly B and teeing off over there, and then this poly B will be connecting to this copper. To the copper there. So we are secured here. Over there. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Right. Okay, that's that. Must be crazy pressure. Right, so we're pretty much done here. Water's back on. Water's back on. Stop that drip slightly. Slightly. Just rinky dink. Might give him a price. Fix that. And over here. Put my brace in there, flat clip, put another clip in there. Alright boys, chat you on the next one.